Alright, so this video is going to address a common problem that we learned happens with the spare tire rig underneath a Chevy Suburban or Tahoe. If you are having trouble getting your spare tire to lower, this video is for you. So what's happening is there's a jam in the apparatus. So the cord will come down, but the actual metal portion that holds the tire is no longer lowering, as you can see right there. So there's a hook that is damaged that we recently watched a YouTube video of. What is it called? A channel lock. We're gonna use a channel lock to squeeze the metal portion so the hook can release. So we also need to jerry rig a something to back the Suburban up on. So we have these bricks here, and this is going to be the first tier of brick, and then we're going to back it up onto this to elevate it enough for us to get underneath. Stay tuned. Right here you can tell that something is stuck inside. So what we discovered is there's a hook in one of these, like we have to push these in with a channel lock to release the hook up here. Essentially, I'm gonna hold the tire up as high as it can go, and then he's gotta get in here and pinch the metal, excuse me, the metal basically wings on this device. There's a hook up there in the center of the screen right there that is preventing it from coming down. So what happens is this cable comes down just fine, but this holding up the spare tire is not lowering with it, and we cannot get the spare tire off. Is it high enough?
A little higher. I'm gonna need to see pick it up again like we were the other day.
Underneath?
So I can see the hook.
Okay.
See how far
oh,
I go.
Okay.
And make sure I'm actually squeezing the right stuff.
Okay. The right stuff. Guide the tire up to the square. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh man! Woo!
Oh man!
Got it! Look at that booger. People. All good? Yes! We did it! Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. This was the hook. So what we had to do was use a what are they called, ratchet? Channel lock to squeeze and release. Squeeze and release. Alright, so we're going to show this video to Discount Tire because it took them several hours to figure out they couldn't do this. And it took us 2 days to figure out we could. Woo!